Before I start thanking everyone today, I'd like to thank my beautiful wife. This whole day is down to her hard work, and without her stubborn relentlessness, this day would never happen. She's done an amazing job of organising not only the essential parts of the day, but the small fine details that men just don't notice. From the day I proposed 18 months ago to today, you've all been by her side, helping, joining in with Jen's crazy plans. You worked wonders with her memories for a hen do, once you finally got there.
The hen do girls, what an experience this was for them. A whirlwind of a weekend, you all stuck together. You wouldn't let that cancelled flight defeat you all, even flying halfway around Spain to get to Benidorm.
Today is the start of a new and exciting chapter in the lives of John and Jennifer. Marriage is more than just the wedding day, it's about your life together.
A special mention for a little chap there called Reese, watching you walk your mum down the aisle. Mind-blowing, and that is such a special memory for you and your mum. You'll keep that forever. Unbelievable.
I will love and care for you, honour and cherish you, whatever the future may bring.
Jen, today I promise
To spend the rest of my life with you.
to spend the rest of my life with you.
I will be faithful and honest.
I will be faithful and honest.
John, today I promise
To spend the rest of my life with you.
to spend the rest of my life with you.
I will be faithful and honest.
I will be faithful and honest.
I will share with you my hopes and dreams.
I will share with you my hopes and dreams.
John, you may kiss your beautiful.
Today's not just about a wedding, it's about becoming a family, the five of us. Reese is officially no more Murphy. Yeah? You happy? Yeah?
Son John up, he's the busiest guy in the whole world. He loves to strip and flex about his house. He absolutely loves the bones of Jen. He can bore the life out of you about a complex carbohydrate. He most definitely has the loudest voice in the world, but after all that, he does have a few good points too. He's a great dad and an absolute legend of a friend. Mate, always will, I love you like a brother.
The mums, two women that also deserve a special mention. Without the both of you, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be getting married. Lynn, the cake, amazing. Amazing. We would like to thank everyone for coming today, because without family and friends, it's just not a wedding.
Marriage is a journey and adventure where each of you will love, care for and support each other, and also form a circle of love that gathers in your whole family.
When I saw you standing there under the stars, I knew it wouldn't be the last time. Scrolling through the memories of when we began, I couldn't find a single regret. We could write an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away. We could sail the skies together till our skin is old and weathered. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away. If I said I never thought about walking away, I would be alive.